Have you ever felt that deep gut level outrage when something just isn't right? It isn't fair? And you can't look the other way from it, even when everyone else seems to just look away. Yeah, me too. For many of us autistics, injustice isn't just upsetting, it's unbearable. But how we deal with it in a world that tells us to just get over it is our decision. Let's talk about it. I'm the Independent Autistic, and on this channel, we empower young adult autistics toward real independence, the kind where you live out your truth, stand up for what matters to you, and still protect your peace and calm. Part of the autistic identity is the inability to cope with justice. It is not a flaw, it is not a bug, it is a feature. Autistics often feel the pull of truth, the need to name the wrong and make it right. And we feel this pull more than the pull to just fit in. That can be a powerful force for good, but it can also burn us out if we are not careful. So let's talk strategy. Not to suppress that fire of justice, but to channel it in a way that actually makes a difference. Number one, channel the need for justice into mercy and empathy. It might sound counterintuitive, but one of the strongest forms of justice is mercy. When you feel the fire rising up inside, try asking yourself, how can I turn this fire into the warmth of empathy? When we respond with empathy, even when we're confronting injustice, we shift the dynamic. We keep our power and model a better way, and that's strength. Number two, pick your battles. You cannot fight every fight. That's just the truth. It's hard enough to live in a world that's not made for us, but trying to take on every injustice you see, that's a one-way ticket to autistic burnout. What injustice affects me or the people I love the most? Let's start there. Make a list if you have to. Prioritize. You don't owe the world your destruction in the name of pursuing justice. Keep your peace. Number three, approach with wisdom. This one's a little more tactical. When you speak up, how you say things matters. Try to sandwich a rough truth in between two slices of kindness. Start with something pleasant. Share the truth calmly and clearly. End on a respectful or hopeful note. That approach can help people hear you because the goal is impact, not just venting. Number four, think about the emotional effects on others. This doesn't mean just simply walking around on eggshells, but it does mean being aware that people will feel a certain way because of your words. Think about that effect, emotional effect first. Remember, people rarely change because they feel attacked, but they sometimes change when they feel understood. Number five, focus on the injustice, not the person. This is where a lot of autistics get misread. We tend to go straight for the issue. That's wrong, that's dishonest, that's not fair, that's unjust. And people take that personally. But if you make it clear that you are challenging the behavior or the system and not attacking the person, you have a better chance of being heard and staying emotionally safe in society. Number four, timing is everything. Yes, injustice is urgent, but that doesn't mean it needs to be addressed immediately. Ask yourself, is this the right moment? Will speaking up now actually lead to change? And then this question, am I in a calm enough state to speak clearly and safely? Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is take a breath, wait for the right moment to make the greatest impact. As autistics, we were born with a very finely tuned sense of fairness. And that's beautiful. I wish the whole world were like that, to be honest. But the real power comes when we learn to wield the truth with wisdom, empathy, and timing. We don't have to silence our justice instincts. We just need to aim them well. This is the Independent Autistic reminding you you were born different to make a difference. Please offer the customary sacrifices to the algorithmic God. A subscribe would make me so happy today. Thank you.